Item 15, I put that on there to discuss the Fairview Hospital District. I know there's lots of questions, lots of comments, lots of things flying around the county as there normally are, and I just thought we ought to put it on here, kind of have some open discussion. Like I said, this is just kind of a discussion, open discussion type of thing. You know, I haven't discussed this with any of the commissioners, but I almost feel free to say that Commissioner's Court is not going to let the hospital die. We're not going to let it go to there. But there are some restrictions that people that don't understand, I don't think. As long as there's an existing lease with the foundation, the only money that the county can invest in is in facilities. We can't invest money into the operations the way we did back when there was an authority in place, and I think a lot of people probably didn't realize this. I've heard a lot of comments, well, just let the county put the money in it, but we can't either. So there was probably some very bad misinformation put out there about, you know, well, the county can just do it. I'm very concerned about the effect that the vote will have on the people that work at the hospital, whether they feel that this community does not support the hospital. I don't think that was the issue, but I know some of our not long-time doctors, but some of our newer doctors, I'm very concerned because they're very popular to our competition out there. I just hope that this doesn't do it. Like I said, I just threw this out there. If anybody's got any questions or the court on it, or the court's got anything to say, I just wanted to clear up the issue that there is a lease. It is, and as far as I know, it'll still be in effect till at least August of 2010, when their first payment on the lease becomes due. If they're unable to pay it then we'd have to look at the lease. But without they come to us and say that they want to terminate the lease, or we see that they're failing to meet any of the compliance items that's in the lease, then, you know, we'll go on as normal as far as I know. Ron, you got any comments?
No.
Legal, Eagle?
No, sir.
Anybody?
I don't know if I guess we can discuss it now. As you said, you know, there's lots of conversation. There's been talk about, you know, go back to authority board and that sort of thing. With the authority board, can you have elected board members? I've heard that big concern.
I would want to know what the advantage of the authority board over a district.
Well, this is just questions that I'm having.
The authority was nothing but a modified district to give the county ability to.
But the foundation, can you have elected members? That's another question.
No. It's not a government entity.
Private corporation.
It's a private corporation. And I'm sure if you did an authority, but I wouldn't know why we'd want to do an authority versus a full-blown district. I don't know any advantage of it today. The reason the authority was kind of a hybrid deal that was made up was where it could be funded by county money rather than tax money. And that was back when we had a $10 billion tax base and all of that, you know. You know, the biggest challenge is going to be when and if the county had to take it back over, is their ability to fund it, because if they turn the hospital district down, are they going to turn increased taxes down? And we would definitely have to increase the taxes. I figure if we took it over today, it would cost us 10 cents to do what they was going to do for 7.